To add an employee manually, log into the Cloud portal, open the Employee menu, and select Employee List. At the top, click Employee Wizard to start the process. Fill in basic details, ensuring all mandatory fields marked with a red asterisk are completed, then click Next. Then enter all employee details and click Next. Provide personal details and click Next. Complete the user-defined field section and click Next. Add other information such as salary details, set the approval matrix, define shift details, and fill leave details and self-service details. After entering all information, click Finish. The employee record is created once the details are saved.